What is up, guys? Darknet416 here, back with another video. And today we're gonna be playing blox. And this is gonna be a series that I'm gonna be doing almost every day. So let's get right into it. And plus, check out Roblox. So here we are. Ooh, I'm looking nasty. Yeah, I played this a lot. I got a bike. Wow, that's nice. Oh, we don't TikTok, it's blox. Oh, check out Rolex. Oh, check out Ayo and Tayo. They're the one that made Rolex. Ayo, Tayo, if y'all watching this, y'all are the best. Y'all make great music. Yeah, Ayo and Tayo. So I'm in my house right now. I really need to take a shower. Oh, you don't TikTok, it's blox. I'm gonna be singing for the whole episode, I think. I don't know. I even try. We don't TikTok, it's blox. Oh, man, I don't even try. Guys, I'm starving right now. Always eat the canned beans because they gave me more things, so I'm gonna eat it. What you can do in blox, it's just like real life, but it's really different. Roblox has the best games ever. If y'all play Roblox, like and subscribe to this video. And guys, remember. Okay, so be sure to check out my channel around the 25th of December this year, guys. Because remember, I'm getting my vlog camera, and make sure to look out for my merch. I'll be doing a shout out, guys. Okay, so in my bedroom, I have I play the guitar. I have a TV. I want to hear me play the guitar. Continue. Okay, so I'm gonna put. I'm gonna pick worse. Okay, that's pretty creepy. Okay, guys, I gotta go to work. So you'll probably think, "Hey, Elizabeth, use your bike. It's more exercise." Well, that's what I'm doing. I live in a bad area, so in Bloxburg, they spawn you in a room area, which a lot that's open. I'm like person's mansion. I wish I could have a mansion like that yet. So I am a YouTuber, and I'm supposed to have but I'm not. I only have I used to have 400 Robux, and then I just spent it on my character and some games, and now I have 4 Robux. So I spent 396 Robux. I really don't TikTok. Probably oh, we don't TikTok, it's blox. Guys, I'll be right. I am so sorry, guys. My dad was calling me for some odd reason, so I'm back. I hope y'all had a good school weekend. If y'all hate school, like the bell, and make sure the like button if you like school. Dislike. I'm joking, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll get my notifications every time I upload a new video. So guys, remember, around this year, I think, I will be getting a website. It will be called Dark of Life. That is going to be my merch place. Oh, what am I getting on this? So that is pretty much gonna be the end of my episode because video. I'm just showing y'all what. Oh, I haven't shown you I haven't shown you all the jobs. Okay, so that's this place you can get your cars. I'm gonna show you the place where you can work. So work. Go to work. Okay, so I'm always selected. Okay, this is the cashier place. This is fisherman. This is the ice cream maker. This is a stalker. This is the janitor, which cleans up the city. This is the woodcutter. This is the cashier place. This is the pizza baker, pizza delivery, hairdresser, mechanic, and that's it. So I hope y'all did like this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Oh, and hit that bell so you'll get my notifications.